Quantum computing, the next big leap in technology. Welcome back to AsadTech Edge, your ultimate destination for exploring the cutting edge of technology and AI. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of quantum computing, a breakthrough technology that could transform industries and change our lives forever. In this video, we are gonna explore it into 7 aspects. What is quantum computing? Key principles of quantum mechanics. Why is quantum computing important? Real-world applications. The future of quantum computing. Challenges and conclusion. What is quantum computing? First, let's understand what quantum computing is. Traditional computers process information in bits, which are either 0 or 1, but quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time, thanks to a property called superposition. Key principles of quantum mechanics. Quantum computing harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics, including 1. Superposition. A qubit can exist in multiple states simultaneously. 2. Entanglement. 2 qubits can become interconnected, meaning the state of one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. 3. Interference. Quantum algorithms use interference to amplify correct solutions and cancel out errors. Why is quantum computing important? So, why all the hype? Quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize drug discovery by simulating complex molecules, optimize financial portfolios with unparalleled precision, solve critical problems in climate modeling and logistics, and even break cryptographic codes, making current cybersecurity systems obsolete. Real-world applications. Big tech companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft are leading the charge in quantum computing. In 2019, Google claimed quantum supremacy by solving a problem that would take a supercomputer thousands of years in just 200 seconds. Industries like AI, transportation, and healthcare are already exploring ways to integrate quantum solutions. Challenges in quantum computing. But quantum computing isn't without its challenges. Fragility of qubits. They are incredibly sensitive to their environment. Error rates. Quantum systems still struggle with stability and reliability. Cost. Building and maintaining quantum computers is extremely expensive. However, researchers are making progress every day to overcome these obstacles. The future of quantum computing. The potential of quantum computing is limitless. From solving humanity's greatest challenges to creating new industries, it will undoubtedly redefine what's possible. Experts predict we may see widespread adoption within the next 2 decades. Conclusion. Quantum computing is no longer science fiction, it's science reality. Are you ready to embrace this quantum leap into the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel,